Winona.
Turn right onto Brusky Drive, then turn right onto Mankato Avenue.
It's 47 degrees, which is not as cold as I was expecting. We got a couple hours to go until we get to Iowa. Stop at a Tour of Honor site in Iowa.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Mankato Avenue, then turn around.
Yeah, should be a nice ride. The moon's out. Look at that. Woo, we're pulling the trailer again. It was a nice little weekend. I'm glad we came. A lot of things going on and a lot of changes in the Tour of Honor, and hoping that it continues. But if it's the last one, I'm glad we made it. Met some great people. Hung out with some friends. Now it's time to make the journey home. Still up in Minnesota, but we're riding the Great River Road along the Great Mississippi River. There's a scenic overlook coming up on the left. Just wanted the camera rolling while we pass it up. Mississippi River looks a lot different up here than it does down in Louisiana. Through a cloud. Sunrise over the Mississippi River this morning. It's cool. We got a wall of rock to the right and the Mississippi River to the left. Nice little sunrise this morning too, and it's cold. 41 degrees right now. It's been a cold one. Alright, so we're pulling up to the Luxemburg Tour of Honor site, which is up ahead on the left. Passing through Mount Vernon, Iowa. Oh. All right, here we go. Alright, so we're going over the Mississippi River again, heading into Illinois. That's a pretty bridge. Might be. I mean, we're in Illinois now, but I hadn't seen a welcome to Illinois sign. Look, there it is right there. Illinois state line. There ain't no sticker on there either. I was hoping there would be one. Look, there's an Illinois sign right there. Nope. Oh, there's a sticker. Look. Ah. I'm gonna claim that. Alright, we're in Illinois looking for a tour of honor site. Looking for a mural too, since we're here. Quincy, Illinois. I'm gonna cut around and get it.
The destination is on your right. Arrive.
Alright, we heading to 911 here in the same city. It's a cool fire station. 1924. It's 101 years old. If you can do the math.
North 10th Street. The destination is on your left. Arrive.
Yeah. first time I've seen a memorial with a plane.
Yeah.
This is a cool memorial. Alright, we heading back to Missouri. Get out of this liberal freaking state.
You've entered the park.
Alright, we're about to get on the interstate to... Oh no, this is St. Peter's Parkway we're about to get on. I thought it was the interstate. But we got a little less than an hour. A little less than 2 hours to Cape Girardeau. 127 miles. Which is nothing. I don't know what this bridge is, but I like bridges. It's the Missouri River, baby.